Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create, backup, and restore your wallet through the Trust app on an Android device. First, let me just open Trust Wallet that I downloaded from a Google Play Store. It's a fresh copy. It gives me an option to create a new wallet and asks me if I want to restore a wallet from a backup. Let me create a wallet first. It gives me an option to back up my wallet, which I'm going to do now. It prompts me to encrypt my backup with a password. I'm going to put the password trust here. It asks me where I want to save my backup. I'm going to save it to my Telegram app. It asks me if my backup was successful. I'm going to say yes and continue. So I rooted my device for unrelated to Trust Wallet reasons, so the app warns me and tells me to be careful. I'm going to ignore that, but you shouldn't. Now let me show you a different way to back up your wallet. I'm going to click Settings, Wallets, click on the download icon. It asks me to put a password in. I'm going to put the password trust here again. It shows me a place where it wants me to save the backup. I'm going to save it to Telegram app again, but you can save it wherever you consider safe. And that's it. My backup is complete. Remember, you can always restore your full wallet from any of the backups you created. Now, let me show you a way how to restore your wallet. I'm going to restore my wallet from the Telegram. I'm going to click Settings, Wallets, click on the plus sign, click Already Have a Wallet. Now I'm going to go back to my Telegram app, go to my saved messages, select one of my older backups, copy it, go back to my Trust Wallet app, paste everything here, put the password in. The password was trust, click import, and that's it. My import is complete. Thank you for watching.